How to remove Hypesquad badge at Discord Mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. Today you're gonna learn how to remove Hypesquad badge in Discord Mobile, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So perhaps you're wondering why this tutorial is about the mobile section and I'm in my computer. This is it because if you want to do it from your mobile, you need to open your Discord in your web browser. And basically, this is the same view from your web browser. If you try to do it in your app, in your mobile app, you are not gonna be able to do it. So you have to log in from your browser and open Discord in your browser. So that's why I'm here. If you try to do it in your Discord app in your computer, you're gonna be able to do it again. The only way that you are not gonna be able to do it is in your mobile. In your mobile app, okay? But once you have opened your, Chrome, a browser, and typed discord.com and logged in there into your browser, you're gonna be able to find the settings, the user settings. And here in the left menu, almost at the end, you have the Hypesquad option. There probably you must complete a survey in order to know which one is your house. And at the end, if you scroll down, you're gonna find the option to leave the Hypesquad. Don't want to be hype anymore? Leave the Hypesquad. You just have to click there and that's it. If you want to join the Hypesquad again, you need to complete the survey in order to get into the Hypesquad again. So that's how you can remove Hypesquad badge from your Discord mobile. Thanks for watching.